Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting both devices ready. Keep the car an accessory or run so sync powers up, and enable Bluetooth visibility on your phone. Once done, press the phone button on the sync head unit and choose Add a device. This tells the system to broadcast. Make sure ambient noise is low so you can confirm prompts. Then, on your phone search for available devices, sync should appear, and tap it to move to the next step. You'll now verify identity. When sync and your phone each show a PIN, confirm they match. This prevents accidental pairing with other devices. Once confirmed, accept any permission prompt so sync can access contacts and messages. That's why hands-free dialing and caller ID work. Make sure both phone and media profiles are enabled so calls and music stream. Finally, name the device on your phone if prompted so you can pick it later without guessing. You finish by testing. Place a quick call and play a song to verify audio and microphone levels. Adjust volume on both phone and sync as needed. Then make the paired phone the preferred or auto-reconnect device so it connects automatically in future. If pairing fails or the phone won't reconnect, perform a sync master reset via Settings Advanced Master Reset, then retry pairing. This clears glitches while preserving essential setup steps and usually resolves persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.